What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for fire hose. What is the beginning sound of the picture? I. I makes the sound for eyelid. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for fairy. What is the beginning sound of the picture? J. J makes the sound for genies. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for hat. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for fowl. What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for golf course. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for heel. This video was brought to you by TechLabShop.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, vocabulary activities, math and reading resources. Try our interactive wall where you can click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the blue subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, we want to thank you. Don't forget to share our educational YouTube channel with others. You can also follow us on Twitter and tweet us or retweet your favorite videos to others using hashtag #CompLabTeacher.